Today we're gonna generate and program a remote for a 2003 Chevrolet Suburban or Tahoe. I think it's a Tahoe. We're gonna be using the VVDI tool by X-Horse, and I'm gonna show you the process on how to open the remote and sync the memory to the remote so that we can synchronize it to the vehicle. All right, let's get started. We're gonna go to Remote Program. Since we're doing an American car, we go to America. We go down to Chevrolet, find the Tahoe, which is right here, and these are the numbers, the models of the remotes, and we're going to be doing the LHJ011 from 0307. Enter. The remote looks like that. Okay, and what you do, you hook up this cable, it comes with the VVDI, and we're going to open this remote. All right, so you get the remote, pop it open, and you're gonna hook up the cable right here. As you can see, the cable's hooked up to the brain. Remember to remove the battery, which I forgot to do. Always take the battery out before you do that. Okay, take the battery out, and then you hit generate. There you go. We're all set. So we disconnect it, and I'll show you the next step after this. There's a remote. Let's check if there's power or any frequency coming out. There you go. 315 megahertz right there. See? All right, now let's go program this to the car. Once you synchronize this remote to this type of vehicle, all you have to do is just program the remote either on board, or if your vehicle requires a diagnostic tool, just do the same process as if you're using an original remote. So this one's going to be on board, and I'll come back once the remote's programmed.